Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Google account so Meet can use your profile and calendar. Once signed in, open Meet. Google.com or click the Meet icon inside Gmail. This ensures you get the latest interface and calendar integration. Make sure to allow mic and camera access in the browser so attendees can hear and see you. Once done, you'll see a clear New Meeting button. Click that to begin creating a link and scheduling options for immediate or future use. After clicking New Meeting, choose Get Meeting Link for instant use or select Schedule in Google Calendar to build a detailed event. This gives you control over time and guests. When scheduling, add attendees' email addresses and an agenda so participants know the purpose. Make sure to adjust conferencing settings and host controls like Q&A, chat, and entry permissions. These determine how people join and whether they can present. Once configured, save the event to generate a persistent Meet link you can copy and share. To finish, copy the generated Meet link and paste it into chat or email, or simply send the calendar invite so guests receive the event with the link attached. Before the start time, test your mic, camera, and network to prevent last-minute issues. Use the preview in Meet to confirm audio and video. If participants can't join or media fails, clear browser cache, try an incognito window, or update the browser. These steps resolve most permission and connectivity problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.